Okay, as you can see for number 3, it says minus 8 times minus 8x minus 6 is equal to minus 6x minus 22. And the question is, what value of x makes the equation true? So one of these works in this x. Now, if people want a shortcut, I'm not going to show a shortcut in this video, but the shortcut for this would be if I entered 1 into this x and I did all of this math, it's going to give me a number. But then I got to plug this 1 in this x and do the math here and see if it gives me the same number on both sides. That would be the easy way to see which one of these work. But for the algebra now, the algebra is a bit different. As you can see here, now the first step what you're going to do is you're going to multiply this minus 8x times, minus 8 times minus 8x. So minus 8 times minus 8 is positive 64, and then we just bring the x down. Now we have to do this minus 8 times minus 6, which gives me plus 48. And then we're going to equal this out. And then write down everything else on the other side. Okay? Now we have an x and a number, we have an x here, and we have a number. Now here comes the tricky part. Now what you want to do here is you want to bring this 6x over to this 64x. And you see it's a minus 6x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plus 6x, the opposite, and I'm going to bring it across the equal sign. Okay? Now the same thing, since I brought the x's over here, I'm going to take this 48, I'm going to bring over here. So if I take this 48 and I bring it over here to this 22, it's a positive 48. For me to bring it over, I have to make it the opposite. So minus 48 under here, then bring this under this umbrella, minus 48 here. Now I can put a line, and I check under my rainbows, see if I have the same thing. So under this right here, I have a plus 6x, a plus 6x. Under this one, I have a minus 48, and I got a minus 48. So we are good to go. 2 thumbs up. Okay, now the ends of each of these arrows or rainbows, we just cross out, because 48 minus 48 is gone. And we have over here, minus 6x plus 6x is gone. I always usually say the tails of each arrow, cut them off. Now we have all this x on one side, and we have all the numbers on one. So now we have 64x plus 6x is going to make this 70x. And then we're going to equal it out to over here. Now when we have minus 22 and minus 48, if somebody owes me $22 and they owe me 48, we're going to keep the minus because they still owe, of course. And now we're going to add these numbers up. So 22 plus 48 is going to give you 70. Okay, now you have 70x is equal to minus 70. So what I'm going to do here is whatever's not x, it's a 70 times whatever x is equal to negative 70. The opposite of multiplication would be division, but we have to divide on both sides by what's not x over here, which is the positive 70. We put the 70 down here, and we put the 70 down here. Now, these 70s will cross out. This is going to become x is equal to negative divided by positive is going to give you negative, and the 70 divided by 70 is going to make it 1. So your answer will be negative 1, just like up here. Okay? So this is just for me to give you guys some pointers on how to do this, all right?